The only question I have about the review so far was problems 5 through 7. So let's take a look at those. Number 5, we want 2 aces and 2 kings. Okay, for this problem, you got to remember you're getting 5 cards. Okay, so our aces. To get our aces, we have to do the 2 aces. There are 4 aces in the deck. C, because order doesn't matter, 2. That would give us our 2 aces. To get our 2 kings, there's 4 of those in the deck. C, 2. Okay? So, looks like this. All the different possible ways of getting 2 aces is 4 C 2 times our 2 kings, again 4 C 2. Now that gives us 2 and 2, so 4 cards, so we still need one more card. All right, but we don't want any aces or any kings because we only wanted 2 aces and 2 kings, so we got to take those out. So it's 52 minus the 8, 4 aces and 4 kings, taking them out of there, all right, would leave us with 44. All right, so there's 44 cards left over, and we want one of those. All right, and that would give us a total of 5 cards, and that is over all the different possible ways of getting any 5 hands, which is 52 C 5. All right. All right, so the top's pretty easy. 4C2, that is going to be 6. So this 4C2 is also going to be 6. And then 44C1 is 44. Over 52C5. And I'm putting that in as 52C5 because that's going to be a big number. All right. Then I'm just going to use my calculator. All right. So using the calculator, clear that out. I'll do the 52C5 first. 52 under math. We're going to probability and the C, enter. And we want 5, enter. And that's what it's going to be. So I'm going to do 6 times 6 times 44 divided by my answer. And I got 6.09 times 10 to the negative 4th. All right, so that means I got to move this over 4 places. So it's going to be approximately equal to 0.0000609 47. All right. And then we got to change it to a decimal. So we move it over 2 places. To a percent. So move it over 2 places and it gives me 0.06%. So it's approximately 0.06% chance that you get dealt 2 aces and 2 kings. All right. If they just deal you any hand. All right. Next one, we got 4 jacks and 1 ace. All right. So the 4 jacks, that's going to be 4 jacks in the deck, C4. And then that's going to be times the 1 ace. There's 4 aces. We only want 1. All right. And that's over our 52C5. All right, so 4C4 gives us 1. Times 4C1 gives us 4 over our 52C5. All right, so we got 4 divided by 52C5. All right. Again, I'll put in the 52C5. And we'll do 4 divided by that answer. And I got 1.539 10 to the negative 6. So I got to move it over 6 places. All right. So now we got to change it into percent. It's a decimal right now, so we change it into a percent, move it over 2 places, and it basically gives me 0.0002% chance of me being dealt 4 jacks and 1 ace. All right. All right. The last one, 5 cards without faces. So again, on this one, what we're looking for is any card that does not have a face. All right. Well, the only cards that have faces are kings, queen, and jacks. All right. So face cards are kings, queens, and jacks. So we got to get rid of them. So 4 of each. So that's 12. So 52 minus 12 gives us 40. So there's 40 cards without faces. All right. So we want 40 C5 over 52 C5. All right. And we can just do that in the calculator. Put parentheses. So parentheses, let's see, 40. Math. Enter 5. Divide it by parentheses. Don't forget those parentheses. 52. Math. Alright, so I got 40C5 divided by 52C5, and I hit enter, and it gives me 0.2531. So I'll say approximately 0.25, so approximately 25% chance that you will be dealt a hand that does not have any face cards in it. Alright, that was it.